Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Latest product. Drag blade. Top link was not set right. Only drug on the front bar. Drug the plate down to the bolts. Flipped it over. Done a patch job. Put about it took about 4 inches out of it. These are not my wheels. This is a guy that was helping me. But, yeah. So with that one, they're learning. You gotta start somewhere. Took an old drag plate, thicker than what was here, which was that thick versus that thick. So maybe we can get it to last a little bit longer. Got it boxed in, and that's the other side. That's my crappy wheel. So about a 2-day project. Try to make this last a little bit longer. Ta-da!